Hello students, in this session I'd like to continue the part of differentiation of composite exponential function little bit in a different manner. Okay, let's concentrate on the board. I wrote the question x to the power y plus y to the power x is equal to 1 is a given question. Here instead of taking log on both sides, I'd like to write first u plus v is equal to 1. Okay, because of the addition sign I can't take log on both sides. It will be differentiating with respect to x. Okay, after this one it will be du by dx plus dv by dx. What's the derivative? 1 will be 0. Okay, then after that call it as equation number 1. Now what is the value of u? U is equal to x to the power y. Now taking log on both side, taking log on both side, log on both, it will be log of u is equal to log of x to the power y. Log u is equal to y log of x. Okay, after that I need to find a du by dx. For that reason, differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, it will be, what is log u derivative? Log u derivative will be 1 by u du by dx, okay, is equal to y log x. Y as it is, log x derivative will be 1 divided by x, okay, 1 by x. Now plus log of x as it is, what is y derivative? It is dy by dx. Got it? Then after this one, I'd like to write du by dx is equal to, I'd like to take u on right hand side, u into bracket y divided by x plus log of x dy by dx. Okay, then after this one I need to substitute the value of y. What is the value of u? U I need to substitute. U is nothing but du by dx is equal to, what is u? U is nothing but x to the power y into bracket y by x plus log of x dy by dx. Got the point clearly? We got du by dx. In the similar manner, I need to solve v value. What is v? V is nothing but y to the power x. Okay, now again taking log on both sides, it will be log of v, it will be x log of y. Okay, now differentiating with respect to x, it will be, now I'd like to write the same term as a log of v derivative will be 1 divided by v dv by dx, okay, is equal to, it will be x log y derivative I need to find. X as it is, log y will be 1 by y dy by dx. Okay, now plus, now log y as it is, x with respect to x is 1. Okay, now the next step will be dv by dx is equal to v on right hand side, v into bracket x by y dy by dx plus log of y. Okay, now at the end you need to substitute the value of v. Now it will be dv by dx is equal to v. What is the v value? V value is nothing but y to the power x into bracket x by y dy by dx plus log of y. Okay, now I need to substitute this dv by dx in the equation number 1, du by dx in the equation number 1. I will substitute du by dx in the equation. It will be x to the power y, y by x plus log of x dy by dx. Okay, I substituted the value of u. Now what is dv by dx now? That is y to the power x into bracket x by y dy by dx plus log of y is equal to 0. Okay, got the point clearly? Now we need to simplify. X to the power y is multiplied to first term, it will be x to the power y, denominator x to numerator x raised to y minus 1 into y plus again this is multiplied to second term, it is x to the power y log of x dy by dx. Okay, plus y to the power x is multiplied to next term y to the power x minus 1 into x denominator y to numerator into dy by dx plus, again this term is multiplied to second term, it will be y to the power x log of y is equal to 0. Okay, in between these two terms, second term and third term, what is the common term? Dy by dx. Okay, now what is remaining terms? It will be x to the power y log of x plus y to the power x minus 1 into x, means dy by dx as a common term. Okay, remaining both the terms on right hand side, it will be minus x to the power y minus 1 into y minus y to the power x log of y. Now the last step will be dy by dx is equal to minus will be taken common, x to the power y minus 1 into y minus minus taken common, it will be plus y to the power x log of y, denominator will be x to the power y log of x plus y to the power x minus 1 into x, which is the required RHS, required dy by dx. Observe the next one. Here no plus no minus, that's why taking log on both sides directly. Okay, now taking log on both sides. Okay, concentrate. It will be log of y to the power x log of x to the power y. Okay, now it will be x into log of y is equal to y into log of x. Okay, differentiating with respect to x, now it will be x as it is log y derivative 1 divided by y dy by dx plus log of y as it is x derivative will be 1. Okay, then the right hand part derivative will be y as it is log x derivative is 1 by x plus log of x as it is y derivative is dy by dx. Okay, make a dy by dx on one side, it will become dy by dx, what is remaining, x by y, here log of y dy by dx on left hand side minus log of x here is equal to what is left part on the right hand side, it is y by x, this is log y on right hand side minus log of y. Got the point clearly? After this one, I'd like to write dy by dx as it will be, okay, right part will be x, y by x minus log of y divided by x by y minus log of x. Still, if you want to write one more simplified step, means dy by dx. Okay, take the LCM, LCM will be x. Okay, I'll write in the denominator, numerator will be y minus x log of y. Okay, now here if I am going to take LCM in this part, it will be x minus y log of x, denominator y to numerator, it will become y will be going to numerator. Understood? Next one is cos x to the power y is equal to cos y to the power x. Taking log on both side, log on both side. Okay, now it will be log of cos of x to the power y log of cos of y to the power x. Okay, after this one it will be y log of cos x, okay, is equal to x log of cos of y. Okay, now differentiating with respect to x, it will be y as it is log of cos derivative 1 by the cos x cos derivative sin x plus log of cos x as it is y derivative will be dy by dx. Okay, now x as it is, now log of cos y derivative 1 by cos of y, cos y derivative minus sin of y, y with respect to x is dy by dx plus again log of cos of y as it is, x with respect to x is 1. Got it? Any doubt in this particular part? Now I'd like to write the simple step, y as it is sin by cos is nothing but a tan of x plus log of cos of x into dy by dx is equal to, it will be minus x sin by cos tan of y dy by dx plus log of cos y. Got it? Any doubt in this part? Make a dy by dx on one side. It will be dy by dx as a common term, means what is remaining? Log of cos x minus term on left hand side plus x tan of y, the dy by dx as a common term. Right part will be log of cos y, this y tan x on right hand side minus y tan of x. Got it? Then after this one, here also 1 minute, I left over cos derivative will be minus sign. It will be minus tan on right hand side plus tan. Okay. The dy by dx term will be, right hand side will be log of cos of y plus y tan of x. Denominator will be log of cos of x plus x tan of y. Whether you understood properly? Okay, concentrate. It is a new one. Differentiating with respect to x. It will be x as it is y derivative dy by dx plus y as it is x derivative will be 1. Okay. After this one, e to the power x minus y is e to the power x minus y. X derivative is 1. Y derivative is dy by dx. Okay. X dy by dx as it is plus y as it is. E to the power x minus y is multiplied to first term, e to the power x minus y minus e to the power x minus y is multiplied to next dy by dx, e to the power x minus y into dy by dx. Now take a dy by dx on one side, dy by dx it will be x, this minus e to the power x minus y taken on left hand side plus e to the power x minus y, the dy by dx as a taken common is equal to e to the power x minus y right hand term as it is, y on right hand side it will become minus y. Okay, now I need to take this term on right hand side. I'd like to take dy by dx is equal to e to the power x minus y minus y divided by x plus e to the power x minus y. Finally we can write it as a dy by dx is equal to e to the power x minus y is nothing but a xy minus y divided by x plus e to the power x minus e to the power x minus y is nothing but a xy. Got the point clearly? Okay, practice all the problems. Fine.